Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Elia Kane from the Mandalorian. Firstly, you're going to want to take the legs, arms and hair from this Superman, the torso came from this Bugatti driver, the hands come from Kylo Ren, finally I took the head from the Hoth Scout Trooper. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure, but hopefully this is what it should look like. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how this minifigure has turned out. I came up with the torso while I was brainstorming, and I thought it would be a good idea. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and maybe subscribe to the channel.